Which of the following, if true, forms the best basis for at least a partial explanation for the patterned changes recorded in the study? What is that? What are the pattern changes? Data gathered in a 1980 study shows that the shifts occur in a definitely skewed pattern, with most areas' temperatures rising simultaneously. The reason that is skewed is that different ecosystems should produce a random pattern in which some ecosystems warm while others cool. However, we have this information that shows that most areas rose at the same time. We need a partial explanation for why that would be. So, and all of these explanations take into account gravitational, seasonal, and some human variables. So we need a reason temperature would go up all at once. A, massive warming can result from widespread pollution in many countries. Okay, well, so this could account for most areas' temperatures rising simultaneously if there's widespread pollution. Let's check the other ones. Certain regions with specific geographical features respond in varying degrees to surrounding changes. This would mean that they would not all rise simultaneously. They would respond differently, not in the same way. Some regions grow warmer due to increased volcanic activity in those regions. Again, this would affect those areas, not all areas. In the 1990s and beyond, which were not as well documented, human pollution skewed the trend toward warming. Well, so that's a good kind of general, a good kind of general approach, but it doesn't explain why the pattern isn't random. This is the general trend. We need all the areas to be hit by the same thing. E, regions that are geographically closest are most likely to be affected in similar ways. So this one, again, we had most areas' temperatures rose simultaneously. This one only talks about areas that are geographically closest and would therefore be similar. We are talking about all areas going up. So that leaves us with choice A. If we have massive warming from widespread pollution in many countries, this basically takes out all of the differences between different regional areas, some with volcanoes, whatever, the things that were in the answer choices. If all of those have pollution, that would be a cause that would reduce the random variation in the pattern. Choice A.